Guys, hey guys, I'm gonna be making slime today. Everybody's favorite thing. So, I have a different kind of glue. It says great for making slime. It's Crazy Art. I got this at Walmart for $2.97, and it's washable glue, all purposes. Dries, clear, fast, and strong. I have also Tide, a stirring tool, a plate, I was making slime earlier, and paper towels. Now, let's get started. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to be adding some of my glue first.
The Book of Henry.
I'm just going to add a little bit. Boom. Then I'm just going to take this, take a little bit of Tide. Not more than how much glue.
I'm surprised his grandma doesn't do anything for him.
There we go. That looks pretty good.
I'm really surprised Aquanetta don't do nothing for him.
Okay. Trying to get
What's her other son's name? She got a lot of stuff. What's the other twin's name? Marty Woe. He out? No, he got 4 years. The other one in jail too. Jasmine baby dad. Moo.
Okay. So I just had Tide in this, and it's like just like blah blah blah. But now I'm just gonna add more Tide. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more Tide. I'm gonna do this over here so if it spills.
She's gonna be raising that boy her whole life by herself. Like by herself his whole life.
So I'm just gonna stir it up more.
That's good.
And then now it's like how I want it to be. So I'm just gonna add a tiny more of my Crazy Glue. And then I'm gonna mix it up and knead it. Kneading is a motion with your hands that you do where you pull the slime out then in, and it kind of like works, but I need to add more glue because it's the most soap there is, so more glue I need to add. So there we go. Now all I gotta do is just take my hand, rub it in, and all I gotta do is this now. See, if it gets like this and it's like all sticky, just want to add a little bit more of the Tide. So I'm just gonna add some Tide into it. Then it's soapy again. Boom, boom, boom. Added that little bit of glue right there. And I'll come back to you guys when my slime is done. Action. Back, guys, my slime is finished. I'm going to add my slime that I made earlier to it, and I'm just going to try to do a swirl now. So if it's big enough probably to do a big swirl or a baby one, but my name is Melissa Thompson or Melissa Evans, one of those. This is me and my mom's phone, but my name is actually Alyssa Thompson, and my mom's name is Melissa Thompson. So this is her phone, but we share it, basically, and I'm just going to swirl. Wait, I'm going to do a different swirl technique that I know of. And you just twist it, and keep on twisting it. My cousin actually taught me this. I swirl. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so I like this. Nice. Just add a little bit more glue. Okay, I'm going to turn it back around. Okay, there we go. So this is my slime. My name is Alyssa Thompson, and this is my slime channel. I'll also be doing satisfying videos, showing you guys around, giving you guys tours, showing you guys my room, and all kinds of stuff. Like, I might show you guys like how to make stuff and stuff like that. I like being creative. I'm really creative, so you might see me like making stuff and it barely even works out, but I still like trying it. So my slime has turned out pretty good. It's like really nice. And yeah, this is my slime, and have a nice day. Dab on those haters.